What's going on, everybody? Anyone know where I can get an OEM style JDM ITR front bumper? Let me know, because it's fiberglass. It's not kicking it for me. I'm gonna be wiring up the headlight, and then going to be helping Malik with his motor. And so I'm gonna just wire up this side. I'm not going to even show this side on camera because it's the same thing. Everything's gonna be reloomed how it should. Everything's gonna be nice and neat when everything is completely done. I'll put a diagram or a picture of what's supposed to go where, which is, this is the high beam right here. All right, so from the back side, as you can see, ground, HID, city light. This one is the high beam, and then the one on the bottom is a fog light right here under the ground. I still have the fog light exposed, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run into the low beam. That's what I did with Layla like 5 years ago. I had no issue, so I just put in a 20 and it worked perfectly fine, no issues at all. So I just wired it to this, but I actually had like the HID version. But this is the non-HID, so I still can use regular plug and put the bulb in, and that's that. I forgot I gotta get another grinding wheel, so I could cut this right down the side and then drill, and then go right in the fuse box, put the battery in, and then just turn on the lights, see if the lights work. And also, as test fit, this is how I'm gonna have it be like. So no wires will be seen. Right now that is still the old latch cable, but you see, no wires, nothing besides just the plug to the headlight, low beam bulb. That's that. I'm gonna see if I can grind the metal down at least, whatever I got left. Just grind this tab down enough to it's like not sticking out as much, so I could bolt it down to the fuse box. Same with this one, but as you can see, this one is a lot longer. Might need an actual cutter. Look a little rough, but it's a grinder. But got the tabs off on both sides. Now I'm about to see if I can drill through. All right, so this is one. The 10 could fit in perfectly fine, and here's the other. So now I'm about to wire brush this terminal, get all this corrosion off, and put it back on the car, put the battery in, and see if the driver's side headlight worked, because I only wired up one side so far. Perfect fit. Battery tray is on, the ground cable is on. None of that's really connected down there yet, but I don't think it needs to be. The charge harness is complete. Engine harness is complete. I completely separated it from itself. So literally, charge harness is literally by itself, completely. I'm gonna grab the battery for Raina, put it in, just put the switch on and see if the lights work. All right, battery is on. So let's see if the lights will turn on. Any running light, city light yet? Nope, nothing yet. All right, low beam, and let me see for the high beam. All right, so low beam and high beam is working. Just got to figure out the city light and also do the fog light. Fog light is on. As you can see, it got the wires tucked as well. Still got to figure out how to get the city light to work. I'm not sure if there's a bulb in it, to be honest, because I tried all the wires and nothing's coming on. But in the meantime, I'm getting ready to go to Malik's house, and we're gonna get his car started, because the motor that they gave him last time was a bad motor. Just put everything back together completely. The last motor when they go put in, that motor was bad, so they just gave him another one and just put this one in. There was no need to go over or putting everything back in, because it's how we, already did that last time in like one of the other videos. But hopefully this one starts up. The motor looks good. And also we're going to be moving his EG around. Is he getting ready to put his K24A2 in here as well, or K24A? One of the two. I can't remember. Dang, I feel like I haven't seen a K-series ECU in so long, yo. Yep, it's green, so it's good. No leaks. No leaks at all. Yeah.
It's got one cold, which I know, coolant sensor.
Yeah, ECT. See, it's gonna start. Try it again really quick. Oh, you know why? Yeah. All right, now try. Now it's just starting up. This was in the intake. Yeah. I was getting mad. I was like, yo, hell no, not again, yo. But it sound good.
Nah, that shit sound good. Damn, that shit scared the shit out of me.
Shit, same here, nigga. And then I had to realize, like, oh shit, wait, this shit was still in here.
Nah, word, it was this.
Yeah, that was like blocking it.
I kept it in there.
All set.
Bro, headers right there.
How much?
Huh?
If you do end up one to try something.
I'll do a deal for you. But they go for 250, 300. So I give it to you probably like 175.
Bad.
Probably even 150. Probably even 150.
Bad.
You know what I'm saying?
Bad. 5 in that little drug. That's crazy. What is this?
For the motorcycle.
Oh, I'm about to say, she got a small ass exhaust.
This right here, nigga.
It's gonna go in there.
A lot of work to do, bro.
Yeah.
Just been preparing, getting shit little by little.
That's how you gotta do it.
We're gonna bring this shit back to life, I promise. I think we got a 1, 2. Yes, this is what I wanted. Cement shit. This. Get rid of them.
Yeah, I'll loop that for now.
Shit already cut right here.
Oh yeah. Start taking out the brake booster and shit. Bring the sender. Sand this whole shit down.
It was back there. I didn't want to do nothing with it. Like,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? Like, especially I didn't want to wipe it down. The fucking trees keep fucking me up.
Ooh, look at this little pretty thing. And these tires look good as hell too. I never actually seen them. I ain't actually see how it look in person. Yeah, I'm trying to go turbo on the black one now too. Just wait. Yeah, I'm trying to get a stimulus turbo kit. And when I say you should let me have that turbo kit.
Your hearse. I wonder if heaven got sauce. You do a Mickey and Pop. Look at you, think about when you show up at the funeral talk.
Alright. K20 Z3 is in. Everything buttoned up. Just waiting for him to get the key. The header's not on yet. He just want to see if it's going to start at least. You ready?
What, you got primary a couple times?
Yeah. Do it again so I can see if there's any leaks at all. Alright, so no leaks.
Ready?
Yeah. It starts up. Yeah, you're good now, bro.
It's gonna do that idle like that?
Probably gotta like adjust everything too. Plus, remember that the exhaust not on, so you don't already know if it's really idling like I was supposed to. Plus, that was a cold start for it still. Plus, it's been sitting for a while. Start right up.
That's crazy. Oh, fuckery. Appreciate it, my guy.
No problem, bro. No problem. You know I'm always around to help, so. And now I can't wait to get my shit to start. I still got a couple things left. So. Alright, so I'm gonna close the video out here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know what I'm gonna be doing next. As you can see, I got the V-stack headlight cut out. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna change that up a little bit, make it look neater. But other than that, that'll be it for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.